A blessed and beautiful Monday morning to you, the viewers, the subscribers. How you all doing? It's Links 070 to the V. Trust and hope that you had a wonderful weekend, and I just want to wish for you a productive Monday. So whatever you're going through in life this morning, just know that once you have life, you have hope, and once you have hope, everything is possible. So I just want to wish for you all a productive week, and I hope that whatever you put your mind to this week, you'll be able to achieve it despite the circumstances and despite the challenges that you're faced with at this current time. Just know that you're not alone, and you just need to just push and give it your 100%, and you will be successful in the end. Despite what is going on around the world, situation might be overwhelming at times. Situation might seem as if you want to give up, but guess what? When you give up, that's when you fail. When you fail is when you did not even decide to try again. So that's what I want to leave you with this morning. And despite whatever you're going through, trust and love and just trust God. I know that everything is possible once you believe, and once you have that determination and that will within your heart, you will succeed, and you will push yourself to that point where you believe that you can achieve your goals, your dreams, and your aspirations. All right, so just have a blessed day, a blessed week, and just be safe, take care of yourself, and just have a productive and inspiration day. All right, much love from the Links TV family. Much love to the viewers out there wherever you are watching in the world right now. Much love and much respect goes out to you for always continuing to support Links 007 TV as always. All right, peace, bless, love, and much respect to you all. Have a blessed day.